Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pumpkin brioche loaf. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your flour followed by the salt. Then mix the two together until they are well combined, as you do not want the salt and yeast to interact. Once you've combined the two, you can then go ahead and add the remainder of your ingredients. It doesn't need to be in any particular order, but I like to add the dry followed by the wet. So I go in and add in the yeast, the light brown sugar, the egg, followed by the butter. Make sure yours is a little bit more room temperature. Then the pumpkin puree, and don't forget to add in your milk, and then mix on a low speed to start with, just to combine everything. And once you can see that it's combined, you can then turn it up to a medium-high speed and mix until the dough pulls away from the bowl. It will be sticky as it's an enriched dough, but that's completely normal. Because mine was quite sticky and I wanted to work with it, I placed it into my bowl, which has been lightly oiled. Then just briefly kneaded it on the surface and brought it into a round ball. Place back into the lightly oiled bowl and then cover with cling film and leave somewhere to prove for around 45 minutes to an hour, or until it's doubled in size or touching the top of the bowl. Then you can go ahead and remove the cling film and knock the dough back. This is just a process of removing the gases that are built up in the dough during the first proof. You can then go ahead and give the dough a generous knead on the counter, and make sure you bring it in so it's smooth on top and it has a seam on the bottom. Then just rock it gently and shape it to be the perfect loaf size. You want it to fit in the pan or the tin perfectly, so you just want to get the shape right. You don't want it to look like a dog bone where it's bigger on one end, smaller in the middle, big on one end. That's just not what you're looking for. You should fit in pretty snugly like this, cover with cling film and leave somewhere for around 45 minutes to an hour, or until doubled in size. So here is what it looks like after about an hour in a warm place. I left mine in my kitchen as my kitchen is quite warm. Remove the cling film from on top of the dough, and it should look like this. It should be perfectly domed. Then brush over the top with some egg wash. An egg wash is just one egg that's been beaten. Just brush it over generously. This will give it the colour that you need. Bake it off, and then once it's done, it should look a little something like this. It should be golden brown on top, and then that perfectly golden crust where it's been in the tin. Then once it's cool, you can go ahead and slice it into quite thick pieces, as we'll be using this for French toast, but feel free to use it for sandwich bread or whatever you would like. The best thing about this bread is that it's very soft, and when I say that, it's really soft because it's an enriched dough and it's got butter, it's got pumpkin and egg. It will be so soft and fluffy. Even when you squeeze it, it'll just go back to its shape because it's just the perfect bread. And believe me, this is perfect for this time of year as well, with it being autumn and being cold outside. That slight sweetness will work perfectly if you're having it with something sweet or savoury, it doesn't really matter. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.